How to check your current Microsoft Teams plan. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the quick and easy steps on how you can check your current active Microsoft Teams plan. So in order to check your current active Teams plan, all you need to do is simply click onto these three dots that say settings and more just beside your profile picture. And once you click onto this, a menu will appear from where you will need to choose the settings option. Now, once you are here within the settings, you can also navigate to this particular page using a shortcut that is Control and the comma button. Now, once you are inside the settings, you have this option at the second last that says plans and upgrades. So simply click onto plans and upgrades, and from here you can find that currently I am using my free benefits or my free plan. And also you from here you can also upgrade to a Microsoft 365 subscription if you would like to. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.